O'Reilly's Restaurant. Chef Paul, what is going on this morning
Hey,
here?
what's going on? We are working on a Pitboss burger that'll be featured on the menu coming up. We're using right here some of our Pitboss brown ale right into the cheese sauce.
Boom. Fincity thinking of you here.
We got Fincity brewing our beer. We've got McHenry bringing the Angus burger for us. Finish off our cheese sauce. We've got jalapenos getting candied in some tequila syrup there.
They are
finish us
awesome.
off.
I had to try one.
All right, so we'll put it together here in just a second and we'll show you what we got.
Thank you, sir. More to come.
All right, hey guys, part 2 of our Pitboss feature on the new menu is McHenry beef. This is 100% Black Angus, locally grown, processed, packaged for us specifically. McHenry beef.
Awesomeness. It's even in the heart shape. Check it
Oh,
out.
don't you love that?
And this is the Pitboss.
The Pitboss.
What do we call him? Haven't come up with a name yet. Maybe we could ask people.
Hey, let's have a vote in.
Let's do
Yeah,
that.
yeah, let's get some ideas. Anybody have an idea for what we're going to call it? We got jalapenos, pretzel roll, cheese sauce with the brown ale. What else we got? Love, local,
It's all
fresh, whatever you guys got. We could use the help. Thank you.
Let us know. And not to be forgotten.
Not to be forgotten, we have some onion rings we're going to use to help us corral all that cheese sauce we're putting on top. So those are fresh onions, a little bit of buttermilk, some seasoning mix. That's it. Going right in. A couple seconds till they're crispy. More than a couple seconds, minute and a half, 2, and then we'll pull them out.
I did have to try the onion roll. They are very tasty. I love onion. Karen knows this. Another and. Check this out. What are these?
These are julienne jalapenos. Same process as the rings that we just did, the onion rings. A little bit of buttermilk, some seasoned flour. Roll them around a little bit and drop them in the hot oil.
These are not to be confused with the tequila sauced.
Correct. We're trying a couple different situations here to decide what's going to work the best. We also have some candied jalapenos, which are jalapenos in a tequila syrup, which one of my favorites. We'll see how it works.
And we still need help with?
Still need help with the name.
100%.
The finished name of the burger.
Soon. We will know.
Here are the candied jalapenos that we just talked about. It's pretty easy. You get the liquid hot, pour it over the sliced jalapenos fresh. Just let them hang out for a little bit. They do their thing, come out pretty good. It's a heat and sweet combination.
Heat
one of those
and sweet.
magical situations that happen.
And the onion rings and we
And
call them jalapeno spears?
yeah,
Fries?
yeah, they're jalapeno spears. They got a little bit of a spike to them when you bite them.
Very tasty. And
And that is the cheese sauce. That is the Pitboss brown ale cheese sauce. Guys, I wish you could taste this. It is
awesome.
It is something else.
And the heart burgers.
Heart burgers.
That is crazy.
It is crazy how that And I'm getting ready to put them together, so you guys will see it in just a second here.
Assembly required soon.
Hey, I want you to try these candied jalapenos. I know how you like the hot stuff.
We do like the hot stuff. Wow.
Interesting.
That-
A little different than you were expecting.
100%.
Yeah.
That's all. That's very, very good.
Cool.
Very
All
good.
right. Next, we're going to come back with you guys and show you the assembly process.
Because assembly is required.
Yes, sir.
And we don't know what we're named it yet, right?
No, still need help with the name.
All right.
Still need help with
There is the heart. Let's do it.
Guys, here is the final part. Assembly required. Here we go. These are burgers. Again, McHenry, Angus, local.
Right down the road?
Right down the road. put our patties down. We're gonna put the rings on there to help hold our cheese sauce in place. Here is that cheese sauce coming at you. Belt on.
Awesome.
Right, and then finishing it off, we've got our jalapeno spears. Don't want to be short on those. Right on top. Bun. Here's the candied jalapenos, the ones we just tasted. Don't want to be shy with those either.
Those are awesome.
A
Truly.
little bit of that tequila syrup, because why not tequila? All right. Bun. Fries. The only thing we're missing is a name, and you guys in the restaurant, come on down and try it.
Molly's is easily found on Route 213 in Kennedyville, Maryland. Right?
Yes, sir.
Get here. Chef Paul, I like to say often, results and results.
Cutting these down into bite-sized pieces so we can hand them out. Want everybody to enjoy this.
And we still need a name.
Still need the names.
We still need the name. Come on, help us out, please. Awesome.